like halfway across the solar system and just control my fighters.
Yeah, that would be really fun. But that's cool, you can send them out like that.
Yeah.
Can they loot?
No. Unfortunately. Percentage are we at? 11%.
Warp drive active.
Nui. Konov_I2 and entered channel.
So with those dragonflies, you can send them over to the gate right now.
No. I can only send them to what's on grid with me. I can just recall them from anything in system.
Oh, I see.
But pretty much anything I'm on grid with
Warp drive active.
is less than my locking distance.
Confused.
What? Yeah. What? On grid used to be 200 kilometers. What defines the grid now?
Exactly no per se, but it's basically what you can see that's not just on D-scan. So on grid is anything that shows up within a certain distance of you,
Oh, I see.
and then anything like in your overview, like gates you can see at any distance, but they aren't on grid with you. I guess I don't know really how to explain it, but
I understand now.
If I would explain it, I would say like anything on your overview that's in the same, like within 1 AU or 0.1 AU.
yeah, basically. Okay, so we'll warp ourselves back to the Fortisar. I'm just gonna get this docked up.
Someone read off that time for me as I enter it in, please.
Sino's green.
Oh, you already lit the Sino?
Yes.
In EU?
Yes.
Okay, give me a moment, I'll jump straight you, and then I'll get these guys home.
Linky. Oh, I guess it wasn't a kill nail, duh.
Warp drive
It will be, hopefully.
Seven days, 15 minutes, I think.
A0J TAC MQ.
warp drive active. Warp drive active. Warp drive active.
It does not look like I can create a structure timer.
Interesting. Do you know who can? I know Dat can. Alright, East Brooder, was the jump clear?
I know I should be able to.
Clear.
Jumping. Alright, so now I'll get the rest of us home. I'm just gonna dock up Thylic, and so I can only concentrate on one thing. Thank you for that exit, by the way. So, who all is on grid yet?
How do you want me to get this VNI back to you?